Hi guys, do you want to create an account on 1xBet and get a huge bonus? With the promo code EARN25, your account will be filled with rewards and extra money. This video will show you how. First, open any browser on your mobile phone. Search for 1xBet Mobi. Open the first official result and download the application. After the download is complete, open the app. When the app opens, you will see two options: login and registration. Click on registration, then choose one-click registration. Now the registration form will appear. Now comes the most important part, the promo code. Enter this promo code, EARN25. This promo code gives you up to 330% bonus and special rewards. Do not skip this step. Then click register. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify. Once verified, your account will be created. You will receive your username and password. Save them. Click next, and you will be logged into your 1xBet account. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Choose a payment method and make your first deposit. After your deposit is successful, you can start playing. You will see many games. Use your bonus and enjoy the profits. Remember, the promo code EARN25 gives you more money, more bonuses, and more chances to win. Do not create an account without it.